Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is about how we can create and log in email in GoogieHost. Let's get started. Open your browser, go to the GoogieHost website, click on Sign In, enter your registered email and password, click on Login. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Client Area dashboard. Scroll down the page. After scrolling down, you will find the Email Account section. Click on it. Click on Create Account. Now fill in the required details, email name, password. Click on Create. Your email account will be successfully created. After creating the email, note down the login details. These details will be required for Webmail login. Exit the email section. Scroll down again. Click on the Webmail option. Now you will be asked to enter the login details. Fill in email address, the one you just created, password. Click on Login. Webmail will open. Now you can send emails, receive emails, manage your inbox. Your GoogieHost email has been successfully created and logged in. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.